everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Friday to everybody. Welcome back to our Halloween Memorydex Card Series. I am so excited to be here and I'm glad you guys stopped by. We are here every Friday to share some Memorydex cards, and this week's challenge comes from my bestie Sophia, who is Paper Sweets. And the challenge is to create some memory decks with charms, beads, dangles. I think that's it. Just one of those or all of the above. So anyway, let me go ahead and share what I created. So again, I'm using my favorite Memorydex card. I seem to, I love using this one. And this is Heidi Swap, and this is what I came up with. So here is my first one. Again, I am using the 31 collection by Frank Garcia Studio. So here is my cutesy patootie charm. Dangle, I should say this is a dangle over here on the left side. So I started out with a base, 110-pound cardstock, black cardstock, and then put my pattern paper. I love this one that has the ghosties on it. And then I used this is a chipboard sticker, and then this is a puffy sticker from the collection. And I shared the kit called Hocus Pocus from Queen and Company, and there is the shaker right there, you guys. Isn't that adorable? And since it's a haunted house, I put the haunted banner there, and I had to put this cute little ghostie. Isn't she adorable? Oh my gosh, it's a little trick-or-treater right there. So I thought that was super cute. And then I put these stars here. These are from my stash. I can't even remember where I got those. And then put a little flower right here just to add a little more color. And what else can I tell you? And then my little ghosty jingle bell. So there's my first one. Oh, and then the spider web in the back, of course. And this is the I cut that using my Crafty Boutiques Haunted Night file, cut file. So yay, there's my first one. Okay, and the next two, I wanted to use my journaling cards. So this is just a great way to use your journaling card to create a Memorydex. And I just took what is this? A bingo card, which is part of the journaling card stack that I have, and then I punched it out, or actually I used a die, I think, for this one. I used the die, and then this is from a different Memorydex, but it was from the Memorydex that has the spider web, and I just cut it off, and I put it right here, and then the web I cut in half, and then I put on this side and I put on this side. And there's my little spider shaker, again from the Queen and Company. I think it's called, what was it? Critters. Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called, but I had shared this on my last video. Creepy? Is it Creepy Critters or Creepy something? Anyway, put a little bow, and then here is my little dangle, just a very simple one with some beads there. Super cute, right? And then in the back is just like this, and then I put a eyelet on all of them to hold the dangle. And then this is my last one here. Again, I used another journaling card, except this time I put it horizontally instead of the vertically, instead of placing it vertically. And there's another little shaker of mine. So cute. I love this cleaning company kit. So just use some sequins there, put some gems here, and these cute little die cuts. I think this one's an Alina Craft spider web die, and then this one is from Allie. I don't remember, but they're teeny tiny, so I loved using that. And then it says scary and cute. I have that popped up, and there is my charm right here. So that was our challenge. Put a charm or use some beads. And what else? I have a heart die cut there, and then this is a ephemera, which is again another bingo card. And I think the back is just plain. So that is my project share, you guys. I love making Memorydex cards. I made a few more, but I'll just share that with you guys next week, because next week's challenge, here's the challenge, you guys. Let's make shaped Memorydex cards. Yay! All right, so that is your challenge for next week. Thanks so much for watching and stopping by today. We'll see you guys next Friday for more inspiration. All right, guys, and don't forget to tag us, put your hashtag Halloween 31 MDC series when you guys upload a video, or if you post it on Instagram. I'm so happy. I know one of you guys tagged us, and yeah, you guys are coming up with some really cute Memorydex cards, so I'm so happy. And okay, that's all, you guys. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.